Hello, my name is Ana Cristina Andrade and I am the PE instructor at Brightwood Elementary. I have created a list of materials that I will be needing and are critical for the development of my students' physical, social, and cognitive domains. So let's get started. The first one that I've chosen was the SST scooter. Students that don't have the proper upper body strength or posture might have trouble with learning reading and writing. These materials will help to enforce their brain development and gross motor abilities. Next, we have the Instruct Yoga mats. I'm incorporating a lot of yoga in my lesson plans, so these mats are for students to use at the beginning of a stretching or yoga activity. These mats are great for students that are more visual learners, such as ELA, or come from a different country or school. So for me to implement this is critical, so they can use this at the beginning of the lesson. And then further throughout the lessons, I'm hoping that they will not be needing this, but this would be a great way for them to get started and get to know the material a lot better. At least the positions. Next, we have the soccer balls, the Ultra Play rubber soccer balls. Soccer is important because, for one, it is used a lot in physical education, but apart from that, soccer helps with increased aerobic capacity and cardiovascular health, lowers body fat, and improves muscle tone, increases of muscles and bone strengths. Next, we have the Elevator Deluxe parachutes. I feel like this is very critical because even though this is just mostly for lower grades, I also feel like this can be used for my upper graders as well, especially for their social skills to help and reinforce working cooperatively, so it can help inside their classrooms. This is also a high durable play parachute, which is fun to play with and effective in helping students develop resistance and coordination skills. Next, we have the Dura Hula Flats, so hula hoops, basically. These hula hoops helps for creating different stations that I will be incorporating and endorsing a lot to my students. These are also great to interact and become productive members in a classroom society, as well as working on gestures and hand-eye coordination. Last, we have the basketball. It also improves hand-eye coordination and develops discipline and concentration apart from all the other aspects from soccer. Now, the price for all of these the subtotal is $449.50. With tax, it would be $33.75. In total would be $483.25. I am also asking for the scooters. The quantity would be 4. From the Instructs yoga mats, only 2. For the Ultra Play rubber soccer balls, it comes in a set and is on sale at the moment, and I will only need 1 set. I would also need the deluxe parachute. It would just be 1. These hula hoops also come in sets, so one set would be 6 hula hoops. And for the rubber basketballs, these also come in sets, and they come in all different colors as we see. And it also comes with 6 different kinds of balls for $76.95. And that is all. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Have a good day.